Good morning, dear parents. Good morning, student. I welcoming you on online teaching for the session 2020-21. So children, today we will see class 3 English lesson 7, The Pied Piper of Hamelin. I already explained you two pages, page number 60 and 61. So children, today we will see page number 62. Before starting this page 62, once more I recall page number 60 and 61. So let us see here. This is a story about an old town called Hamelin in Germany. About 500 years ago, the people who lived in this town were very unhappy. They were unhappy because the town was full of rats. There were rats everywhere, in the fields, gardens, houses, and even in people's shirts, pockets, hats, and shoes. The rats ran about and ate all the food they could find. They fought the dogs and killed the cats. They even beat little babies in their cradles. One day the people went to the mayor and asked him to do something about the rats. The mayor calls a meeting of the town council. They talked for a long time, but they could not think of a solution. As they were about to leave, they heard a knock on the door. "Come in," said the mayor. The door opened and a stranger came in. He was a tall, thin man. He wore a long coat which was half red and half yellow. He was carrying a pipe. The mayor asked him who he was. The man said to the mayor, "People call me the Pied Piper. If you pay me 1,000 pieces of gold, I can rid your town of all the rats." "Just 1,000 pieces of gold," said the mayor. "We will give you much more than that." The Pied Piper stepped into the street and raised the pipe to his lips. He played a strange tune. At once all the rats came out into the street and ran after the Pied Piper. There were big rats, small rats, old rats, young rats, black rats, brown rats, white and grey rats. The Pied Piper walked down the street and across the field with the rats following him. When he came to a river, he stopped. He stood there and played a tune. The rats danced. Then there was a splash. One by one the rats fell into the river and drowned. So children, today we will continue this page number 62, page number 62. So let us see this page 62 and I explain this page. So the Pied Piper went back to the mayor and said, "All the rats in your town are dead. Please give me the 1,000 pieces of gold. I had asked for 1,000 pieces of gold is a little too much. I think 50 pieces of gold will do," said the mayor. "That is not fair," said the Pied Piper angrily. "If you do not keep your promise, I will play on my pipe again. Then you will be sorry." "Ha ha, we are not afraid of you. All the rats are dead. You can't make them come alive again, can you?" said the mayor. "You will see what I can do," said the Pied Piper. He walked into the streets again and raised the pipe to his lips. He began to play a different tune. Now all the children came out of the houses and followed the Pied Piper. He took them forwards a mountain. When he reached the mountain, a great hole opened up on one side of the mountain, and in walked the Pied Piper with all the children. The hole closed, and the people of the city never saw their children again. That was how the Pied Piper punished the mayor and his people for not keeping their promise. So, children, the Pied Piper went back to the mayor. Now the Pied Piper went back to the mayor and said that all the rats in your town are dead. Drowned means to die in water. Dead means people who had died. So here, when the Pied Piper went back to the mayor and said that all the rats in your town are dead, please give me the 1,000 pieces of gold. So here the Pied Piper said that please give me the 1,000 pieces of gold. I had asked for that. 1,000 pieces of gold is a little too much. I think 50 pieces of gold will do, said the mayor. So here what happened? When the Pied Piper told that please give me the 1,000 pieces of gold, then here the mayor said that I think 50 pieces of gold will do, said the mayor. That is not fair. Fair means that here in this line the Pied Piper is disappointed because the Pied Piper said that this is not fair, and angrily, if you do not keep your promise, I will play on my pipe again. Then you will be sorry. Angrily means angry with someone, agreement. Okay. So here the Pied Piper angrily said to the mayor that you can't keep the promise, and if I play my pipe again, then you will be sorry. Ha ha ha, we are not afraid of you. So here the mayor said that we are not afraid. Afraid here meaning is that frightened. Okay, I am not frightened you. All the rats are dead because I knew that all the rats are dead. You can't make them come alive again. So you can't make them to come alive again here, said the mayor. You will see what I can do. So here the Pied Piper said that what I can do here you will see. He walked into the street again and raised the pipe to his lips. So what happened here? The Pied Piper walked into the street and raised the pipe, and he began to play a different tune. So here now he play different type of tune. Now all the children came out of the houses. All the small children came out of the houses and followed means continued to the Pied Piper. He took them towards a mountain. Where he took them towards a mountain. When he reached the mountain, when all the children reached the mountain, a great hole opened up on one side of the mountain. In the one side of the mountain there is a big hole. That hole opened, and in walked the Pied Piper with all the children. So inside that hole, Pied Piper in, and all the children also. So what happened? After that the hole closed, and the people of the city never saw their children again. So what happened? That the mountain hole closed, and the people of the city, all the people of that area never saw their children again because they all are inside the hole. That was how the Pied Piper punished the mayor. Now here, in this way, the Pied Piper punished the mayor and his people for not keeping their promise. Why? Because why Pied Piper punished the mayor? Because all the people and the mayor both are not keeping their promises. So this one is the lesson explanation, children. Very interesting lesson. The Pied Piper of Hamelin. So now we will see the word meaning of new words. So here first new word stranger. Stranger here meaning is an unknown person. Reed here meaning is to free from something. Drawn to die under water. Alive having life. Solution the answer to a problem. Mayor head of the district council. Strange odd or uncommon. Fair according to rules. Dead without life. Knock make a noise or make a noise at a door. So these all are the meaning of new words. Thoroughly read it and understood the meaning also. So children, let us see statement given below are true or false. So come to the true or false. This story took place 500 years ago. Yes, true. This story took place 500 years ago only. Second one, the mayor agreed to give the Pied Piper more than 1,000 pieces of gold. Yes, this is also true, because at first the mayor told that I agree to give you more than 1,000 pieces of gold. So come to the third one, the mayor kept his promise. False. At the last, when the Pied Piper said that give me my 1,000 pieces of gold, then mayor said that only 50 pieces of gold will enough for you. Clear na? So this one is false. Fourth one, all the rats in the town drowned in the river. Yes, true. All the rats in the town drowned in the river. So come to the fifth one, all the children were saved by the mayor. False. All the children were saved by the mayor. No, no one saved the children. They all are inside the means that one hole in the mountain. So they all inside. So no one saved that children. So choose the correct answer. Hamlin is a town in Japan, Germany, China. This one, first one, Hamlin is a town in Germany. Second one, the people in Hamlin were very unhappy. Third one, the Pied Piper wore a red and yellow coat, a red coat, a yellow coat. So here, red and yellow coat. Fourth one, when the Pied Piper played a tune, the children fell into the river. The rats followed him. The rats ran into the hole. So this one, the Pied Piper played a tune. The rats followed him. Okay. So move to the next one. Fifth one, the mayor wanted to pay only 50 pieces of gold, 1,000 pieces of gold, nothing at all. So here the mayor wanted to pay only 50 pieces of gold. So children, these all are the choose the correct answer. So let us see some more question answer. These all you have to do in your English fair copy, word meaning and question answer. And all the other means that true, false, choose the correct answer, opposites, match the word. This all you have to do it in your book only. So let us see page number 64. Write the opposites of the following words. Half, opposite full, strange, opposite common, begin, opposite and, alive, dead, thin, fat, great, small, fair, unfair, follow, led. So these all are the opposite. Now see the match the words with their meaning. Stranger means the correct answer I am telling here is that an unknown person. Drawn to die underwater. Knock, make a noise at a door. Dead, without life. Read, to free from something. Read here meaning is to free from something. So these all are the matching. They match the words. Okay, so children, do it in your copy work, and do it in your book work. So thank you children.